What's up, guys? If you have the, I guess you want to call it, horrible issue of one or both of your ears develop excessive wax over several months, throughout the year. Mine, basically every 6 to 8 months, I have to clean my, if not one, but both of the inside of my freaking ears. It's been going on for, gosh, 20 years. So stupid. So here's what you do. Get the earwax removal drops of your choice. There are all kinds of different ones online. Use that. First you have to apply these drops inside your ear. Tilt your head over to the side while you're laying in the bed. Let it soak in. You may have to put a cotton ball on the side of it so you can stand up after it's soaked in for a little bit. But let it soak in there for quite a while. You might have to do it for a couple of days of treatment. Depends on your situation. Okay, now after it's soaked in there and you can hear that it's sort of kind of loosening up inside your ear, you'll know what it sounds like because it starts crackling sort of kind of, where the wax is just getting softer. But my fix, instead of using that little handheld bulb thing, which is so stupid, it only sort of works, get you a water pick for cleaning your teeth. You can get a water pick anywhere online. I'd find one on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or something. You can get them cheaper like that. Fill it with just lukewarm water and then just use, I use this tip right here. I've turned it on full blast. I've been doing this for years. It's not going to hurt anything. And then, as you fill this with warm or, lukewarm water, you'll turn it on. And then you will hold the button down so it won't spray. And then you tilt your head inside the sink, release it, it'll start spraying. No, it's not going to harm anything. And then just aim it straight in the opening of your ear. And if you start seeing nastiness coming out of the side of your ear, it's already done. I've already rinsed it because I didn't want to gross everyone out. But if you, just spray it in there, you'll see it start to break up. And you'll know it when it is solved, I guess you would say. You'll definitely know it. You'll know how it feels in your ear. You'll be able to hear more clearly. It's so ridiculous. And I've been dealing with this for years. I have no pets. I have no, allergy issues that create excessive earwax. I can't explain it. It's just one of those things. But that's my way of solving it. The water pick method is priceless. It works excellent. You will solve it. It may take a couple of days of applying it, but it just opened mine up, no problem. So that's my fix for you. Check out my channel. I got all kinds of videos that might help you. Over 2,000 videos. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button. It's called Super Thanks. You'll see it under the video screen. Feel free to send a donation. We really appreciate the help. And we will see y'all soon. Have a great afternoon.